Yo, here's how I'd go about editing a thumbnail for a YouTube video. So I was making one on web development, so I just searched up ZTM Academy. It's like a coding course I'm doing at the moment. I saw it on YouTube and I copied the roadmap. Like I just copied this image from somewhere around here, Control C, Control V into Photoshop, and now I would adjust this and make some improvements here and there. Alright, I'm going to cover that and update it for 2021. Right, actually I'm going to do a gradient on that. Not have a darker red or a brighter red. Yeah, that looks better. Now for 2021, this is just for a video I was doing when I was reading this article by a really great guy called Andre. He basically made like these courses on how to become a web developer, and it's really big on Udemy. If anyone's interested, I'll link him down below. So I just do that, and then I make it a bit bolder. So I'd make an inner shadow to make it pop more. Yeah, so this just highlights the contents a bit more. Makes a darker contrast to catch the eye, which is the main goal with YouTube thumbnails. And now, what else can I add? Well, you can add, yeah, this, I like this logo, I'll add this as well. Control V. Now, I'll add this in the corner, like that. It looks very nice. Now, that's it, done and dusted thumbnail. Save as. You always want to save as JPEG if it's for YouTube. And by the way, the dimensions I'd have on this image would be 1280 by 720, because that's the standard for a thumbnail. So ZTM Web Dev Guide, that's going to be the name of that one. Now I'm going to show you the video that I'm actually uploading on it. So I'm in Internet Explorer. There. That's just me reading the article. Now I'm going to search that up. By the way, like, this is how you enter thumbnails. If you're new to YouTube, you're going to have to verify your account before they actually let you upload thumbnails. ZTM Academy. No, that's not what I named it, is it? ZTM, yeah, there it is. I'm going to paste that into the tags. Good education. Alright, so that's just explaining what the video is. It's a brief summary. Next, you can add end screens. These are the things that pop up, like recommending your other videos to people to click and subscribe. Now I'll schedule it. So this video will be coming out at 12 AM on the 10th of April 2021. I'll set that schedule. Now there we go, that's the video scheduled. Now I have these other ones to work through. So that's how I would go about making a thumbnail and adding it to a YouTube video. So I hope you find some use in this. And another thing I'll show you is a neat trick just before you go. When you want to make a thumbnail, just search up whatever related topic and just see what the most popular thumbnail is, the most popular video. Upload, you go to filters, then view count, and now you can just copy this, search it on Google. One sec, no, that's not let me go. So you can copy this and search it, right click, search the web, then you can copy this image, Control V, and then you can do your own adjustments to it, make it look a bit nicer, and then make it your own. So I'm gonna Control C, yeah, Control C to move these two to the bottom right, and now the file save again as JPEG, and now I have another thumbnail. So you don't want to reinvent the wheel here, you want to use the thumbnails that are working and that are getting lots of views anyway, so that's what I'm doing here. So anyway, I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one.